In this tutorial, we are building a journey where we will be notified through Slack when a new opportunity is created in Salesforce. So let's build this journey. Select Salesforce as a trigger. Then choose New Record Created as a trigger event. Select the existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, select Option for Object as Opportunity. Now in steps, we have to send a message to channel via Slack. Select Slack. Next, add Send Message to Channel as Action. Again, select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, select Channel. Provide a description for message from Salesforce App Data Tree. Provide the field for Send Message as User or Bot as Yes. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now let's check the output. Go to Salesforce. Click on New. Fill in the opportunity form details. Provide name, close date and stage. Provide the description and save. New opportunity is created. Now let's go back to our journey to check the execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Now let's go to Slack. We can see a new message has been received with Salesforce opportunity details. In this way, we can create an automation journey to send Slack messages for new Salesforce opportunities. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.